Welcome to this reflective meditation on attracting money for hierarchical purposes. Let us begin by going into that quiet place, finding the silence connected with the breath, breathing in and letting go, connecting with the rhythm of the breath and with the rhythm of the universe. The expansion with the inhalation and the contraction with the exhalation. Finding that place of quiet stillness, noticing the body relax, any areas of tension gently releasing, breathing in and letting go. And as the mind also connects with the breath, it begins to quiet. Thoughts stream through freely without connecting our attention. Breathing in and letting go. And as the mind and the body relax and quiet, the personality settles, bringing us into a place of peace. Bringing your awareness now to your heart center. Maybe bringing your hand to your actual heart on your chest. And connecting with a feeling of true love. A love greater than the emotion of love. An expansive, divine love. Holding the intention to express this love to all who you contact, it spreads out from your heart, a radiant stream of loving energy. Let us now formulate clearly in our own words the answers to our three questions. Number one, if money is one of the most important things needed today for spiritual work, what is the factor which is at present deflecting it away from the work of the hierarchy? What is my personal attitude towards money? Do I regard it as a great and possible spiritual asset, or do I think of it in material terms? And number three, what is my personal responsibility in regard to the money which passes through my hands? Am I handling it as a disciple of the masters should handle it? With these questions answered and fully centered and present, we enter into our service work that assists each of us individually, the new group of world servers, and the organizations working to support our earth, the three lower kingdoms, and humanity. Visualize a great stream of golden energy flowing down. Without judgment, from that place of the observer, notice how the energy of this golden ray is flowing. How much is flowing to the forces of materialism for material gain that serves personal desires? And how much is flowing to the forces of light? Now, using your creative imagination, visualize the flow of this energetic stream shifting from materialism to the path of service to humanity. And holding your concentration upon this visualization, we invoke, O Thee, in whom we live and move and have our being, the power that can make all things new. Turn to spiritual purposes the money in the world. Touch the hearts of men everywhere, so that they may give to the work of the hierarchy that which has hitherto been given to material satisfaction. The new group of world servers needs money in large quantities. We have gathered together as one unified voice to ask that the needed vast sums of money may be made available. May this potent energy of thine be in the hands of the forces of light. Seeing this beautiful golden energy as it shifts to the right, fully shifting to the heart of the path of service to humanity. And visualize the work done by those groups which claim your present allegiance. Let this be any group which you know is working to carry out the hierarchical plan. Bring the names of any group into your conscious awareness. And through an act of your creative imagination and of the will, see untold and unlimited sums of money pouring into the hands of those who seek to do the Master's work. See the energy flow to those organizations, foundations, churches, and individuals who are working with the forces of light. This beautiful golden ray of energy being directed into their hands and into your hands. Being fully open and receptive. The flow of energy is a consistent, strong stream of energy. And as it flows, it fulfills all of the needs. And as this beautiful light fulfills all of the needs, see all of those individuals celebrating as money manifesting through the divine energy of this golden stream of light manifests into their lives and into those within this group. A great and joyous celebration. He for whom the whole world waits has said that whatsoever shall be asked in his name, and with faith in the response, will see it accomplished. Remember, At the same time that faith is the substance of things hoped for and the evidence of things not yet seen. We ask for the needed money for the purposes that we hold dear and important, and can demand it because from the center, which we call the race of men, let the plan of love and light work out, and may it seal the door where evil dwells. For a few moments, be still and know, seeing clearly in your mind's eye that stream of golden energy continuously flowing to all of those who are serving humanity in fulfillment of the divine plan. As this meditation comes to the end, we ask that upon completion, you take any money you have saved during the previous week and dedicate a portion of it to the work. Whether the sum is large or small, it is an attractive and magnetic unit in the Master's plan. Remembering the occult law that to those who give shall be given, so that they can give again. Opening up a constant stream of golden energy that manifests as money in service to the divine plan. Know that this work continues on the subtle planes as we gently return, bringing the awareness back to the heart center. That radiant field of love within which we have worked grows ever stronger and more powerful. It is with deep gratitude for this opportunity to join together in service. May your day be filled with blessings. Namaste.